Hello, everyone. Welcome to Stealth Security. My name is Nikant, also known as Terra. And today we're looking at web recon using tools like Wappalyzer and BuiltWith. So what is web-based recon actually? And how do these apps like Wappalyzer and BuiltWith help us? With respect to cybersecurity, with respect to pen testing, you need to do something called enumeration and recon, right? And when you're conducting a recon or you're trying to find more information, which is also known as information gathering, the very first step within the cyber skill chain, as well defined by Lockheed Martin, it is very important to find, you need to be a good enumerator. And that is the way you can become a better hacker. So it's about finding information, what frameworks are being used, are there any outdated softwares, what tools are being used, maybe Salesforce, maybe Google Analytics or Akamai, Impulse, and so on and so forth. So in this video, we will be running through finding information using these devices and using these tools like Wappalyzer and BuiltWith. So without any delay, let's dive into it. We are at tesla.com and I've already downloaded the extensions, but I'll just simply show you how to go about it as well. So you go to Google and you type, say, Wappalyzer extension Chrome download. And then the moment you click here, you will receive add to Chrome or add extension to Chrome. So just click on that and then you'll have it. And the same thing you can do is with BuiltWith. And that's the one, Technology Profiler. You click on it, and again, the same thing. I have pinned them, so that's why they're showing up here. If you don't want, you can just hide them. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna keep it here. And now, if we go here, all we need to do is click on Wappalyzer. As you can see the CMS they're using is Drupal, programming language is PHP, operating system is CentOS. Okay, that's interesting. Cloud Delivery Networks, CDN is by Akamai. I'm guessing it is Impulse. JavaScript is React. Google Analytics is running. You have Twitter ads going on. Well, now X, but you get it. So as you can see, you can find so much of information about what security that they're using, what kind of JavaScript libraries are there, A/B testing, web servers. So they're using an Apache 2.4.6 web server, so on and so forth. Same thing with BuiltWith. As you can see that, you can find the domain, is it parked? You have Google 360. Yep, I was right. So Akamai Impulse is what they're using. You have Optimize 360, it's something with Salesforce for usage statistics. Know Before also for usage statistics. And you have a lot of details here, like, what do we have? We're using Salesforce for CRM, Akamai for application performance. You get so much of information in today's day and age just by these tools and extensions, and I think that's great. Some of the metadata, you can see where's the company located, contact number. You can find some other information with respect to compliances. What are the relationships, redirects, if it's getting redirected, then from where, considering they're using a CDN, then there would be some settings that they must have done on a web application front. So that's a little about utilizing web apps like Wappalyzer and BuiltWith for recon. You can simply add these as an extension and pin them, and you can use them as and when you'd want to find more information. Same thing if we look at Polkadot. Polkadot is a cryptocurrency. And if you want to see what their website is built with, you can see it's Umbraco. They're using 3JS. All of this information, again, HubSpot is for marketing automation. They're using Google Tag Manager. Again, with React and Next.js, JavaScript. You have platform as a service. They're using AWS. Okay, so that's some recon value, right? You were finding information about what is this website built upon. That's the whole point of this video, and I hope you've understood it and you will be using these information to do better recon, because when you are good at recon, you are good at pen testing and hacking. Trust me, most of the hacks that have happened in the history of our time are built on the foundation of very good recon and enumeration. So please, I cannot emphasize this more. Be good at enumerating, be very good at your recon game, and then it will be much easier for you to pawn boxes and hack into networks. Same thing with, now coming back, same thing with BuiltWith. You can see HubSpot forms for marketing automation and similar set of information using Facebook Pixels. They're using Slack. So you see, you can get some Cloudflare is being used. So you have a lot of information, PHP 7, ASP.NET. So you can like search for vulnerabilities based on that. They're using Amazon S3 for bucket storage. So see, now you know this because of the information that you have. And that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe Stealth Security. And of course, as always, do take a moment and check out our Hackers Hub. It's a community for hackers. You have a lot of information. We keep posting all the content here, ranging from boxes to hack into in a lab environment to our write-ups. We are building a community. We're working very hard towards it. We have prizes coming up every month. So please feel free to like, share, and subscribe and be a part of Hackers Hub. Very soon, we will be introducing something called a Hackers Hangout, where most of us within the community will be coming over. It will be like a Discord sort of a setting, and we can talk about anything and everything that has to do with pen testing, hacking, and cybersecurity as a whole. So if you'd like to be a part of Hackers Hub and be a part of our community, and we'd be truly very happy to have you, please follow Hackers Hub on school.com and check out Stealth Security. Stay tuned for more. This is Nikant Sharma, also known as Terra, signing out. Thank you.